Ever wonder if someone you're crushing on feels the same way? You know, you're chatting away, maybe sharing a plate of fries, and you get that feeling, that little spark, and you think, maybe, just maybe. Well, today's your lucky day because we're diving deep into the secret language of attraction. That's right, folks. We're talking about those subtle, those sneaky, those sometimes downright confusing signs that someone is totally crushing on you. Knowing these signs can make all the difference. It can be the push you need to make a move, to take a chance, to turn that maybe into a definitely. We're talking about building real connections, folks, and that starts with understanding each other, even the unspoken stuff. So, get ready to take notes because I'm about to reveal 3 telltale signs that she's totally into you. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of the heart, right here, right now. Sign 1, eyes are the window to the soul and her heart. You know how it is. You're talking to someone and their eyes are darting around the room. They're checking their phone. They're practically checking out your shoes just to avoid making eye contact. We've all been there. It's like, hello? Anyone home? Not exactly the recipe for a love connection, right? But then there's look. You know the one I'm talking about. It's like she's looking right through you, seeing into your soul, and you know what? She likes what she sees. Her eyes lock onto yours, and it's not just for a fleeting second. Oh no, she's holding that gaze, and you can feel the electricity crackling between you. And here's the thing, folks. It's not just about the length of the eye contact. It's about the quality. You'll see a softness in her eyes, maybe a little twinkle. And if you're really lucky, a hint of a smile playing on her lips. It's like she's saying, I see you, I hear you, and I like what I see. Now, I'm not talking about a creepy, staring you down kind of eye contact. That's just, well, creepy. This is different. This is a warm, inviting gaze that draws you in and makes you feel like you're the only 2 people in the room. And let's be honest, when someone can make you feel like that, it's pretty darn special. So pay attention to those eyes, gentlemen, because they just might be telling you everything you need to know. It's like the rest of the world just melts away. And it's just you and her sharing this unspoken moment of connection. So pay attention to those eyes, gentlemen, because they just might be telling you everything you need to know. And who knows, if you're lucky, you might just get lost in them. Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of nonverbal communication. It can convey a multitude of emotions and intentions without a single word being spoken. When a woman holds your gaze, it can mean she's interested, she's engaged, and she's present in the moment with you. It's a silent conversation, a dance of the eyes that can speak volumes. And let's not forget, it's not just about romantic interest. Eye contact can also show trust, respect, and understanding. It's a way of saying, I'm here with you and I'm paying attention. So next time you're in a conversation, take a moment to really look into her eyes. You might be surprised at what you find, because sometimes the eyes can say what the heart is too shy to express. And in those moments, you might just find a connection that's deeper than words. So, gentlemen, don't underestimate the power of eye contact. It might just be the key to unlocking her heart. Sign 2, she can't resist your charm or your arm. Okay, let's talk about touchy-feely stuff in a good way, of course. You know, those little moments that make your heart race and your mind wonder. It's all about the subtle art of touch and how it can speak volumes without saying a single word. We're talking about those little brushes, those accidental grazes, those moments when she finds any excuse to make physical contact. It's like a secret language, a way of communicating attraction and interest without uttering a single syllable. Now, I'm not talking about anything inappropriate, folks. We're keeping it PG here. These are the innocent yet electrifying touches that make you feel connected, that make you feel alive. I'm talking about those subtle touches that send shivers down your spine. The kind that make you feel like you're the only 2 people in the world, even if just for a moment. like when you're walking side by side and your arms brush just for a second, but it's enough to make your heart skip a beat. It's those fleeting moments that linger in your mind long after they've passed. Or maybe you're telling a story, and she reaches out and touches your arm, just a light touch, but it speaks volumes. It's her way of saying, I'm here, I'm listening, and I care about what you're saying. It's like she's saying, I'm here with you, I'm present, and I'm engaged in this moment with you. It's a powerful form of nonverbal communication that can deepen your connection. And then there are the classic accidental touches, the ones that seem to happen by chance but are often more intentional than they appear. You know, like when you both reach for the breadbasket at the same time, or she accidentally bumps into you while laughing at your jokes. These moments are filled with playful energy and a sense of shared experience. Come on, folks, we all know those aren't accidents. They're little ways to bridge the gap, to create a moment of closeness. Those are carefully calculated maneuvers designed to get closer to you. It's her way of saying, I want to be near you, I want to feel your presence. And here's the thing, even if she's not consciously aware of it, her body language is screaming, I'm attracted to you. It's an instinctive reaction, a natural way of expressing interest and desire. Touch is a powerful thing, folks. It creates a sense of intimacy, of connection, of, I want to be closer to you. It's a fundamental human need, a way to bond and build trust. So if you find her finding excuses to touch you, even in the most subtle ways, take it as a very good sign. It's her way of showing that she's comfortable with you, that she enjoys your company. It means she's comfortable around you, she enjoys your presence, and she might just be hoping for a little something more. So pay attention to those touches, because they might just be the key to understanding her feelings. Sign 3. Laughter is the best love potion. You know what they say? Laughter is the best medicine. But did you know it's also the secret ingredient to a lasting relationship? Well, it's also the soundtrack to a heart falling head over heels. When two people share a laugh, it's like their souls are dancing together. That's right, folks, we're talking about the power of laughter in the game of love. It's the glue that binds hearts and the spark that ignites passion. Now, we all have our moments, right? Those times when we try to be funny but end up being awkward. Sometimes our jokes are more dad joke than stand-up comedian, but that's the beauty of it. But here's the thing. When a woman is into you, she'll laugh at even your most cringe-worthy puns. It's a sign that she's genuinely enjoying your company. It's not that she's trying to boost your ego, although a little ego boost never hurt anyone. It's more about the connection she feels with you. It's that your happiness becomes her happiness. When you laugh, she laughs. It's a beautiful cycle of joy and affection. Your laughter becomes her laughter. It's a shared experience that brings you closer together. She's so caught up in the joy of being around you that even your lamest jokes become comedic gold. It's a sign of true affection. And you know what's even better than her laughing at your jokes? It's when you can make each other laugh until your sides hurt. When you can share those moments of uncontrollable laughter, it creates a bond that's hard to break. When you have those inside jokes that only the two of you understand, it feels like you're in on a secret that no one else can touch. When you can share a look across a crowded room and burst into giggles, it's a sign of a deep, unspoken connection. That, my friends, is pure magic. It's the kind of connection that makes you feel like you're the only two people in the world. That's the kind of connection that dreams are made of. It's the foundation of a relationship that can stand the test of time. Because laughter is more than just a physical response, it's an emotional connection that brings people closer together. It's a sign of compatibility, of shared humor, and of a connection that runs deeper than words. It's a language all its own. It's a connection that runs deeper than words. It's a bond that can weather any storm. So if she's laughing at your jokes, even the ones that make you cringe a little, Don't worry about it. Embrace it. It's a sign that she's truly into you. It means she enjoys your company, she finds you funny, and she's probably head over heels for you. It's a beautiful thing. And she's probably head over heels for you. When you can share laughter, you're sharing a piece of your soul. And who knows, maybe you'll be laughing together for years to come. Because a relationship built on laughter is a relationship built to last. So there you have it, folks. 3 secret signs that she's totally into you. Lingering eye contact, finding excuses to touch you, and laughing at all your jokes, even the bad ones. Remember, body language speaks volumes, and these subtle cues are a surefire way to tell if she's feeling the spark. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced any of these signs? What are your go-to moves when you know someone's crushing on you? Share your stories and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice and tips on navigating the wonderful world of love. Until next time, be kind to one another, spread the love, and keep those sparks flying.